I'm Bob with Sta-bil, and today we're going to explain why this countertop demo that you may have seen online is a myth. So you will see some YouTubers, influencers, even some of our competitors use little containers like this with a little pipette, and they will use about 20 milliliters of fuel additive, 50 milliliters of gasoline, and then about a milliliter of water. Now, if you take that same demo with those ratios, you know what? Rather than me explain it, let me just show you. So imagine this is your 5-gallon gas can full of 3.5 gallons of gas. This is what that 1 milliliter of water is going to equate to. Totally normal, right? Still going. Yep, it's a lot of water. So to take care of that water, they're just telling you need about, I don't know, 45 of these 4-ounce bad boys. Just pour it in there. It's going to take care of all your problems. Totally realistic, right? Just pouring them in. Typical day at the office. Nothing weird here. Everybody does this, right? Yep. All right. Yep. Just So as you can see, this demo is kind of crazy. Where Sta-bil does focus on is fuel stabilizers, antioxidants, corrosion inhibitors, and water removers for realistic amounts of water, not 0.7 gallons of your 5-gallon gas can. If you have any other questions or have any other myths that you want us to debunk, leave them in the comments. Also, maybe if you want to win a hat, leave it in the comments. We got a couple of these we're willing to send out to a few of you. See you in the next video.